Very good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our yuvakimoty's weekly Sunday live session where we discuss the latest AI tech tools. Today, I'd like to introduce a great tool from Google. So, we are going to explore a practical and a powerful design tool called Google Web Designer, and I will be showing you how you can use it to create professional looking interactive web content without writing a code, any code. Whether you are into digital marketing or web design or just curious about tools that can help you level up your online presence. So this session is for you. What is this actually? Google Web Designer. Okay, so this is actually a free desktop application by Google that lets you build HTML5 based content like animated ads, advertisements, banners, or videos using a visual interface. Okay, so for this, you don't need to be a coder, a programmer to use this. It's just a drag and drop tool. But if you are more advanced, it also supports HTML, CSS, and JavaScript editing. Okay, so we can use this for most common uses, including Google display ads, the advertisements, Google advertisements, and then interactive marketing banners, product showcases, and simple landing pages. Okay, so for example, let me just give you a quick example on this. So imagine that you are running a small business and you want to advertise a weekend sale. So instead of just posting an image, this Google Web Designer lets you create an animated banner with movement, clickable links, and dynamic elements, all in just a few clicks, not just one click, all in just a few clicks. Okay, so it has very good features. So you might be wondering, is it free to use? The answer is yes, 100% is free. No subscription, no hidden charges, and no trial period. So you just need to download and install it on your computers, either Windows or Mac OS. So it is not web based, so that it doesn't run in your browser. Although it's mainly designed for businesses and advertisers, especially for creating content for Google advertisements, you can absolutely use it for personal projects like event banners, digital invites, or social media creatives. First, we visit the official Google Web Designer website to download the software. So when you download this, please read the terms, and if you are okay with them, go ahead and install it. So once installed, you just need to open the app. It will automatically open it for you. You will have the option to create a new project or start with an existing template. So today, I will walk you through creating a simple animated advertisement using one of the Google designers built-in templates. So just to show you how it works. So here there are several options that we could choose, and here are the templates they have. There are many templates. Here there are several template categories, and I would like to select the education and tech as example. So I will choose a template and then name the file, and then we'll create. Now template done. I'm going to select this. Oh, okay. Here, there are two types of options. One is display for the banners, and then the other one for video. So the animation options are quite impressive here. First, I would like to show you the banner template, and then later, once we're done, I will show you the video design interface. Okay. Now, template. Okay. So here is how the workspace, the Google Web Designer's workspace looks, and it comes with multiple banner sizes. Here, let me show you this. It actually comes with multiple banner sizes, and you can select the one you need. Just select the ones you need. You can just drag and drop to replace it. And then as for the tags, for all the tags, the headlines, subheads, and then the descriptions, you can easily change the font style, size, and the colors. And you can even adjust the background color to match your brand. So you can change everything here. Even the header, the title, the product name, everything. Okay, so when you are done, you actually click preview. You can test it out. Okay, so if it is okay, so you can then publish it. You just sign in with your account, Google account, and either host it online or save it locally or to Google Drive. And okay, so now let's look at the video advertisement template. I would like to show you this. Okay, let's just close this. And now, okay, use template, video. Select a video. So the interface here, it is slightly different. If you have used Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or similar tools, you will notice that Google's Web Designer video workspace is quite similar. Lots of layers, FAQ, and detailed tools. So if you are not a designer, it may feel a bit complex at first, but if you are a designer, you will feel right at home and can do a lot of creative magic here. Okay, I would like to show you this interface. Okay, on this left panel, actually you could see we have the tools like text, images, shapes, and etc. There are many things here. And then on the right panel, properties, size, positions, colors, and so on. This bottom part, this bottom panel, animation timeline. So this is actually perfect for motion effects. So it is not as beginner friendly as tools like Canva or Figma, but Designer, Google's Web Designer gives you much more control when it comes to animation and interactivity. When and why to use Google Web Designer? So the best actually for creating responsive animated banners and advertisements, marketing campaigns for Google advertisements, and interactive content for website. And this one actually not ideal for full website development, for blog platforms and e-commerce stores. So you'd be better off using WordPress, Wix, or Shopify. That's your quick yet powerful introduction to Google Web Designer, a free, often overlooked tool that can help you create interactive professional visuals in just minutes.
You are,
Yes, Kimoto said.
I know Canva Web Designer is a good tool for a web authoring tool. Which
Yeah.
do you prefer? Canva web tool and this Google tool?
As a designer
Mm.
and as a programmer, I would prefer this Google Web Designer because
Oh.
we
Mm.
could use the coding to design
Mm.
JavaScript,
Mm.
HTML,
Mm.
and CSS. Yes, so that is more easy way for us to design.
Mm. Because you are is my engineer, so you love this tool. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. You are challenged. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for joining today's session and see you next Sunday. 本日のセッションにご参加いただいてありがとうございました。また来週の日曜日にお会いしましょう。バイバイ。
Goodbye.